Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Open your web project in Visual Studio and select the Startup project. Check the Solution Explorer and ensure the correct project is bolded. Open Properties and verify launch settings. JSON lists IIS Express and a local host URL. Note the port number such as 5000 or 44300 shown in the profile. Save changes before running the app. Use Ctrl plus F5 to run without the debugger, and F5 to run with the debugger attached. Open the project properties and pick the Debug tab to configure launch settings. Set the launch profile to IIS Express and specify an application URL using http://localhost 5000 or a similar port. If you need HTTPS, use https://localhost 44300 and ensure the SSL port matches. Edit launch settings. JSON directly to adjust application URL and environment variables when necessary. Save. Choose the browser from Visual Studio's toolbar dropdown, then click the green IIS Express arrow to launch. Visual Studio opens the site at the specified localhost URL, for example http://localhost 5000. Use Ctrl plus F5 to preview without the debugger for faster reloads. Enable browser link or live reload to push CSS and view changes without full refresh. You can also open http://localhost 5000 in any external browser to verify the running site matches the Visual Studio preview.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.